If you're looking for the next thing to give you an edge in the market, or just to add an extra confluence onto your current strategy now, just to give it that extra little push of just pure confidence and success, then trust me, SMTs are going to be extremely worth it. No matter if you don't have a strategy, or you're trying to form a strategy, or you have a strategy and you just want an extra confluence, SMTs literally go with literally anything. If you're looking for an inversion, use an SMT. If you're looking for market structure shift, use an SMT. If you're looking for sell side or buy side getting taken, add the SMT on it. SMTs, if they are there, they are so helpful just to give you that extra little push in the market. So that is what we're going to be covering today. So first, starting it out, SMT is always between two correlated assets like NASDAQ and S&P. Why? Because they follow each other in the market. As you can see, for example, right over here, this is both NASDAQ and SMT. What do we see? Well, right here, we have a push down, same thing on NASDAQ. We had a push down, a little push higher, little push higher. And I actually just noticed this is NASDAQ. So obviously they're right, identical. But properly saying it, now we have that S&P and NASDAQ. What do we have? Push down, little push up, push down, little push up, little push up. As you can see, NASDAQ, S&P, they are one-on-one copies. But when we do have a little change in the market, as we have right over here, which we have one from a low to a high and a high to a low, that is a divergence. That means that there is something in the market that one pair is stronger than the other, that actually had to make that push to make a indifference in between these two pairs that are supposed to follow each other. So when we have an indifference like this from a low to a high, high to a low, then right away that is telling us that something is going to happen in the market. It's kind of like a formula waiting to play out, which we had right here. Strong push down, or even better, it also works from the lows. Right here, we can see an SMT from the lows, SMT from the low to the high on NASDAQ and ES. And what do? Strong push up. So this is just an example. Now we're going to jump into live examples to show you how you can see it on the market and just an easier way to spot it out all the time. So keeping in mind what I just said between SMTs, there's always one that makes a low to a high, other one from a high to a low. What can you find it on this chart right here? I'll give you a little second. You can pause the video, check it out. Well, there is an SMT. Well, from these lows over here, let's mark this out from these lows. So what are we doing? This is an incline over here. So we mark that as an SMT. Now, from the same low at 1620, both on NAS and S&P, all the way to 1654, both on NAS and S&P, what do we see? Here we're making a decline, here we're making an incline. What do? We had a little push upwards. Now, let's try to find a second example. For the second example, this is honestly a beautiful example. Why? Because we had a very strong push. So first of all, again, pause the video. Can you find it? Well, we have it right over here. From this 1246 candle right to these lows here. And same thing from the 1246 candle on S&P right to the highs over here. So as you can see, incline, decline, SMT, because they're supposed to follow each other. And look at this reaction off of this. Look at this strong push upwards. And then we had another strong push. This just goes to show SMTs are so powerful. Like, on top of it, imagine, say your strategy, you're always looking for sell side liquidity or buy side liquidity. Well, mark that out. We have sell side and we have that SMT. Now, say on the higher time frame, we always like to look for fair value gaps. Well, we have a fair value gap over here. What do? So now we had an SMT fair value gap with sell side liquidity. This is a perfect model. Now for the very last example, I just wanted to show you that SMTs could be found on any single time frame. So no matter if you're a swing trader or you're a day trader, looking on the 5 minute, the 30 minute, the 3 hour, you name it, you will be able to find an SMT. As we can see right over here, this is on the 1 minute chart. We have an SMT. Once again, they happen so often in the market. And again, SMT, now we have this inversion. This is a very nice entry point. Look at this money you can make. So that's going to be it for the video. I just wanted to show you SMTs are so powerful. If you did enjoy this video, leave a like, subscribe. Let me know in the comments what you think. And also, I do have a free Discord down below that you can go check it out. It's just a place to chill, talk with like-minded trader people. So if you're interested, link is down below. Hope you have an amazing day. Peace.